The Talon file language is quite simple, but it's also very new, and that means that editors doesn't yet have support for things like onHover and go to definition. That's why I've actually added that support in my own VS Code extension that I have specifically for Talon. We can now hover on things like lists, captures, and actions and get useful information. We can also do go to definition on all three of these. Let me show you. Browse. If you hover on the list, you have a link to the Python file with the correct line where this list starts, and you also have the entire definition of this list. So here you can actually see my prose formatters. Browse. For captures, it's unfortunate only the link to its definition and the signature of it. We don't actually recursively parse the rule and so on. That might come in a future update. Browse. And if you hover on an action, you get the same information, the link to where it's located and also the signature. Now you can actually do either the cursorless follow command or just like a control click or right click and go to definition on any of these. We start with list. Writer. Click control. Follow this. Browse. So there you had it, where we did a right click and go to definition. We did a control click and we used the cursorless follow action. And all of those are go to definition. In a Python file, you can actually use go to definition on actions. Follow this. Follow this. Browse. Here you can see how VS Code treats when you have multiple definitions of the same thing. Browse. And that's basically it. onHover support and go to definition support for Talon list, Talon captures, and Talon actions. Stop recording.